let's discuss what are the new extensions related to automation in Process Designer. There's a number of things. First of them is related to the concept of processing variables that we introduced last year. What we've done now is we've extended them with support for reading the values directly from Microsoft Office. This can be great, especially if you're looking at the usage in mission synthesis type of applications, where you want to calculate the life damage of products that you're testing. Another very interesting extension is related to using that descriptive annotation that we already applied during acquisition to guide the data through the process. So you could imagine, for an example, that you're processing data measured with tire 1 in a certain way and a data measured with tire B in a completely different. This could be also your driver's name or even the weather conditions that you're measuring in. Last but not least, and one of my personal favorites, we can now automatically validate the process data. So for an example, compare a calculated order versus a target curve, or automatically reject measurements if the PSD that you've calculated is above or below a certain value. With all of that combined, we can automate instrumentation, acquisition, processing, and publishing all together, overall making you way more efficient.